How many of you are civil services aspirants? UPSC. Okay, so I take it that, so I will speak on for civil services. And for civil services examination 2021 has notification come out? It's come out with that. When is the preliminary examination? Preliminary is in October now. Oh, pushed off because of COVID, it is in push. And when is the mains examination? January. So interview will take place in June, July then. In fact, I would have preferred if Law Excellence had called younger officers to speak here, because I appeared for this examination way back in 1989 when none of you were born over here. And that was after some three attempts. I got qualified in the third attempt. And from then, it's been a long journey, and now it's time for me to bring my service to an end. I hope next time you call, and my younger officers, I've got so many DCPs over here who have either KSPS officers as well as IPS officers. They are in the city. You could call any one of them, probably they can give you much more amount of information. So anyhow, at the very outset, congratulations to each and every one of you at this stage. At every stage, you have to congratulate yourself, because you are taking one step closer and closer towards public service. And public service is the most challenging, most satisfying, and most rewarding. And it's a service where you feel very contented that you have been of some use to someone and you have contributed directly to nation building. So under these circumstances, when you have chosen this, every year, you know how many people appear for the preliminary examination? How many appear? 5 to 6 lakhs appear. Any other guess? 5 to 6 lakhs appear over there. Actually, things have improved very much now. During our times, 14 to 15 lakh people used to appear, because there was no IT. No, at least you got other things where more brainy people are going away and the less brainy people are remaining in the civil services over there, because you got more money, more recognition outside the country over there. So at every level, from the time you fill up the application form up to the level of selection, you have people getting filtered. And the Union Public Service Commission, or what we used to, those days we used to call as Dholpur House. You know what is Dholpur House, no? That is the headquarters of the UPSC. So Dholpur House is the one which decides your future over there. So what I would say right in the beginning is that, if in order to fill in your application form and study for this examination, the urge should come from inside. Nobody can tell you, ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ IAS ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು IFS ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನೀವು IPS ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. It is not going to happen. It has to come from inside. It has to come from inside. Only then that power and engine can charge you to go ahead. Nobody can tell you, ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ನೀವು IASಗೆ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ, ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಓದಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ತಿರುಗಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ, ನೀನು ಯಾಕೆ IASಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. This is not a school. This is not a college. This is a war. This is a war. This is a war. And this is a war in which you are the general, you are the soldier. And the person sitting next to you is your biggest enemy. Because everybody is competing for limited number of things. And a course like Law Excellence, etc. can only facilitate you, My apologies, I'll be I'll be telling a lot of truths. So don't expect some people just go away out from tomorrow onwards. So now examination ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ, people from South India were not taking this examination. There are not many people were taking. So ಏನು ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಆಗತ್ತಾ, ಕಷ್ಟ, ಯಾಕೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕು, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಟೈಪಿಂಗ್ ಗಿಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಸೇರ್ಕೋಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ನೇಸೇಯರ್ಸ್, ಡಿಸ್ಕರೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡೋರೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರು. ವೆರಾಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಯಿಂದವರು ಮತ್ತು ನಾರ್ತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದವರೇ ಬರೋ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಯು ಸಿ ಅವರ್ ಟಾಪ್ ಹೆವಿ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. your commissioner of police, your director general of police, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ DGPನವರು ಎಲ್ಲ ರಾಜಸ್ಥಾನ್, UP, ಬಿಹಾರ್, ಉತ್ತರಾಖಂಡ್ ಆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ they have that passion. Because ಈ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಐ ನಾಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ಹೌ ಟು ಸ್ಟಡಿ, that also I'll tell you about 5-10 minutes, but I have to prepare an environment for you. You have to be a killer. You have to have hunger for power. You have to have determination, and you should feel that I am the boss. Nobody can tell me what I should be doing. I know what to do. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅನ್ ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹೆದರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಅನ್ಫಿಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ when you sit on a chair tomorrow as a 26-year-old sub-divisional magistrate or a assistant superintendent of police, you are surrounded by all factors who are there to finish you. The one and only power that is there in front of you is the Ashok Chakra, which is on your belt or which is on your shoulder. That is your only power and the legitimacy that is given to you and what you are made up of. Most of the training, mental preparation should have already been done. You will only be empowered, informed and elevated. ನಾವು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಧೈರ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್. If you have the capacity, a lot of people I have seen, I am seeing with, now I have finished about 31 years in the Indian Police Service. I was selected in the Indian Foreign Service. I left the Indian Foreign Service and joined the Indian Police Service. Today also I see a lot of people at the rank of additional DGP, additional Chief Secretary, District Magistrate, DIG, IG. I am telling you frankly, as faltu fellows. Useless. They have only passed the examination and they have faced an interview and they have come there. The real challenge, the real joy is that how well I can be as a police officer or as a bureaucrat or as a diplomat or as a forest service officer or as a civil services officer in any of the 24, 25 allied services over there. ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ I have seen lot of people, they can pass an examination, they are there. In fact, I will tell you, out of the huge cadre only 10 to 15 or 20% of the people are there who are really delivering. Rest of them, they are like wind vane leadership. Wind vane. ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ತಿರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಿರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ತಾಕತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಇವನ್ ವೇರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅವರ್ ದೇರ್. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಪವರ್ ಟು ಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದು. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಏನು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ನಾಟ್ ಟು, ಬಟ್ if you have got immense love that I want to bring about a change in this country and I want to do something good, I want myself to be the voice or the strength of those who have no voice, then this service is for you. Adakagi, in fact, quite late I'm addressing, I should have addressed, in fact I love to address those who are in school. That is the time, if you are in NCC, NSS, Scouts, sports, debating, quizzing, leadership program, inter-school, inter-college, that is the place where you become ready. You should know how to fail and you should know how to fail with pride. ಹೌದು, ಸೋತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆದರೆ ಸತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆಯಿತು, ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು, ಆತ್ಮಹತ್ಯೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳ, ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಲಾ ಅಥವಾ ಬಾವಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಲಾ, ವಿಷ ಕುಡಿಲಾ, ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ, then it is not for you. It is not for you. Because up till the last day of my service, I will still fail on certain things. I will also succeed. I will fail, succeed, fail. It is not that one nice, beautiful path is laid out for you. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ಯಾವ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಗೂಟದ ಕಾರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಗನ್ಮೆನ್ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾಳೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವರದಕ್ಷಿಣೆ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ. I am telling you, after you have passed and finished your training in the academy and when you come out, you will think, what a stupid examination I passed. It's a silly examination I passed and now I am here. The real test is when you are in the place where the real action is over there. For this to happen, do you have that attitude? Do you have that killer attitude? Do you have courage? Dhairyam Sarvatra Sadhana. For that, one need not only be a man. There are several outstanding women who have done excellent. When I was Commissioner of Police in Bangalore City, between 1920, I had 21 DCPs. Out of the 21 DCPs, 11 DCPs were girls. All girls between the ages of 29 and 35 years. Outstanding work they did. You must have heard about a lot of them. Nisha was my DCP administration. Nisha Pant was my DCP in Southeast over there. She was in command center over there. Sara Fatima was my DCP in Northeast over there. So, Ade Rityagi, what I'm saying is that you have to have first courage. Courage to work. You may fail, you may succeed. But first of all, that yene edurugade bandrunu face mada capacity. Remaining studying and all those things, how to prepare and all those things, the academy is going to tell you. Now, otta iro time alli, first of all, we did not have a lot of things like what you are having. You have the advantage of having all previous year's question papers. You have the advantage of having an internet. As apart from the internet, you have a mobile phone which gives you a lot of information immediately, whatever is accessible to you. Then you have so many academies also now to teach you whatever. Now, otta irovaga, Brilliance Brilliance had just started civil services coaching, and then Waji Ram Rao was there and Rao's IAS study circle in Delhi. I had no money to go to Delhi. Delhi ಒಂದು ರೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ those days 20,000 rupees per month ಇತ್ತು. 20,000 rupees may look like peanuts to you, but it was a big amount of money. ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ದುಡ್ಡು ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಊಟ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓದಬೇಕು, ಏನೇನೋ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. And then when you go there, every competitor will look at the other and try to take away his hard disk. ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಲೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಿದೆಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿತ್ತು, they used to not share anything, any information with each other over there. And study used to be very, very isolated. Today, you got more amount of sharing. There is nothing, no knowledge can be hidden over there. But civil services examination, once you have passed, like someone said, ಭಾಳ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಆಸೆ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗೋ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ ನಂತರ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಓದಕ್ಕೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ಬರೀತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬರೆದ ನಂತರ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆಯೋರು ಯಾರು ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. ಯಾರು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿಸೈಡ್, ಆಮ್ ಐ ಅ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಸ್ಪಿರೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ಎ ನಾನ್ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಸ್ಪಿರೆಂಟ್. ಮನೇಲಿ ಒತ್ತಡ ಹಾಕಿ ಕಳಿಸಿದಾರ. ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ಲವ್ ಟು ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎ ಲಾಯರ್, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್, ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್. At least you will be successful there. It is not that you'll banbitre kom banbittu you are going to get you are not going to be the best son-in-law or the best son if you pass this examination. Andadella North India ಒಳಗೆ ಅಂತ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ that ಅವರು IAS, IPS ಅಥವಾ IFS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ my son is going to be the most sought after bachelor over there and ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ವರದಕ್ಷಿಣೆ ಕಿತ್ಕೋ. Today we are staying in an equal world over there. Everybody is important and your own value is extremely high. So when you have decided to come till here, and once you have started that your battle is going to start, you should not get limited by the coaching centers. Coaching centers can be serious, can be non-serious, both. But you should try to utilize as much as possible from the coaching center, the resources of the coaching center. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರುವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಐ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್? ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು IIM ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ, ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಬಸವನಗುಡಿಯಿಂದ ನಾನು ಸೈಕಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ IIM ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಯಾರೋ ಕೇಳಿ ನೋಡಪ್ಪ ಒಂಚೂರು ನನಗೆ ಇದು ಕೊಡೋದು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ನೀಡೆಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಗುಡ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಾಲಜಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅವಾಗ. ದೆನ್ ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದಿ ಸಿಟಿ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ ಇನ್ ಜಯನಗರ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೌತ್ ಎಮ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಹತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. ದೆನ್ ದಿ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ. And of course, Bangalore University Library, I was using over there. So, first, when you have decided that I am going to be a very, very serious contender over there, you have to start from the basic. It is, if your work is planned and if your work is smart and if you are evaluating your own work on a day-to-day basis and immediately correcting whatever mistakes you have done, you have the mindset that okay, I am still ready for that. Some people in the academy, ನಾನು ಹೋಗುವಾಗ the favorite question was that how much were you studying? ಒಂದು ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ ನೀವು ಅಂತ. ನಾನು 18 ಗಂಟೆ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು 20 ಗಂಟೆ ಓದ್ತಾ, 4 ಗಂಟೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಅಂತ. ಕೆಲವರು ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು 2 ಕಡೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಟೈಮ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಚೂರು ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಾಗೇನೋ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಅಂತ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ದೇ ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪುಟ್ಟ 17-18 hours. ಸೊ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳೋರು, ಮಿಸ್ಲೀಡ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ಭಾಳ ಅಷ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೆಡ್. ಯೂಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಓನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಕೆಲವರು ಭಾಳ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅವರು 1 hour ಓದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು. ಕೆಲವರು 20 ಗಂಟೆ ಓದಿದ್ರು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥನೇ ಆಗದೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಕೆಲವರು ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ 14-15 hours a day. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸಗಳು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಕನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು, when you are going to take up such an important assignment in future over there, you cannot divide your attention here and there, that na idu martini, nanu adu martini, and civil services kuda martini anta. Then that examination will treat you very badly. Say, okay, aitappa ninige aa kade ee kade tumba kade gamana ide, so probably you don't need me anta. When I say that I can only see you and see nothing else, then only you are able to reap the benefits of this one. ನಾನು ಕೆಲ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಏನೋ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓದ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಯು ಮೇ ಡೂ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿಬೆಂಟ್, ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ಮೈ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಐ ಫಿನಿಶ್ಡ್ ಮೈ MA in economics from Bangalore University, I sat for 18 months in only one place and put about 15-16 hours a day. And my typical routine used to be that I used to get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. From 6 to 8 o'clock, 2 hours study, then brush my teeth, etc. And then have my bath. Then that I had to keep for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. And then again 6 to 8 madadra, 9 to 12 I used to keep one slot, 9 to 12. Then 12 I used to have one small break. Then 1 to 1:45 second slot irta ide nanu. 1:45 after lunch over there. 2:30 to 6:30 ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ one long set I used to keep concentrated long sector. 6:30 ತನಕ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ just go out for some and then have cup of tea, etc. And then ಆವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ we used to have DD news at 8. So 6:30 and again about 8:30 ತನಕ current affairs or magazine reading or meet ಇತ್ಯಾದಿಗಳು ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ then 9 o'clock in the night I used to sit once again up to 12 o'clock, 3 hours. So it used to be almost, so this was my consistent, unnecessary ಆಗಿ ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ ಅವನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಇವನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅದು ಮಾಡಿ. ಸಂಡೇಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ I used to keep it or once in a week for exchange, and very limited people were there. ಬಹುಶಃ in those days ಈ ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಧ ಜನ were used to be preliminary applicant for the whole of Bangalore city those days over there, because ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಂದ ಯಾರು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, and that too were serious applicants. So first of all, your timetable. Now how to study. NCERT books 9th and 10th standard for I don't know what are the new ones now. Bipin Chandra, you are reading Bipin Chandra? Bipin Chandra have the Indian history, modern India, Bipin Chandra. Have you heard of Bipin Chandra? Have you seen that book? So Bipin Chandra, then Agarwal for economics, Agarwal, the KPM Sundaram, and Atharuddar Dutt. What book are you studying now for that?
Vivek Singh
must be new or that was there. And then the Constitution of India, Lakshmikant. We studied D.D. Basu. Kelidharal D.D. Basu. So all the articles, all the sections should be known to you. Should be known. And ಓದುವಾಗನೋ as you read with a pencil, you write something there and you make a mark. So all that is there now ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. To give direction to my study, I had bought one guide called Unique Quintessence of General Studies. Innu idea adu Unique Quintessence of General Studies, both for preliminary as well as for main examination over there. Then 3-4 journals of Planning Commission. ಒಂದು ಯೋಜನಾ, have you heard of ಯೋಜನಾ ಅಂತ? ಯೋಜನಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಯೋಜನಾ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ಯಾವುದು? ಕುರುಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ. And then one more, Eco-Political Weekly, EPW. EPW ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ? Have you seen these books? Have you seen these magazines? Eco-Political. Those days we were not even getting, nothing like ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗಂತೂ you can get online ಅಲ್ವಾ those times. So we used to wait. ನಾವು ಕಬ್ಬನ್ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು PIB ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತು, ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಬ್ಯೂರೋ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಾವು ತೊಗೊಂಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಕುಡ್ ನಾಟ್, ದೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ your NCERT for your modern India, and geography, what book are you studying for geography? NCRT, okay, NCRT. And then see, preliminary actually is a examination to see that you are rejected, thrown out. ಎಲ್ಲ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತರು ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಹೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಫಾರ್ UPSC. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ತೆಗೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ತೆಗೆದು. ಸೊ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ put you off guard by asking foolish and stupid questions which you say this was not in the syllabus ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿ ನೀವು. What is the gestation period of an elephant? What is the gestation period of a camel? ಯಾವ ಪುಸ್ತಕದಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲದ್ರೆ you don't. So you will be getting these questions which are nowadays. One more tricky thing which art student may find it difficult, but it is not a very difficult thing, is reasoning. ನಮ್ಮ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ರೀಸನಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಿಲಿಮಿನರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ 15-20 ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಆನ್ ರೀಸನಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅಲ್ವಾ? No, for preliminary examination only. Exclusive paper is there because there are two papers alva. One the general studies and one is your subject paper for preliminary examination. So we also had one morning only, one afternoon ಒಳಗೆ. So ಇದರೊಳಗೆ I can only tell you practice. Your level of practice should be for the CAT examination. ಈ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ಗೆ ರೀಸನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು, ದೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕೇರ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಓವರ್ಕಮ್ ದಟ್ ಫಿಯರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಓವರ್ ದೇರ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್. If you straight away start from very, very complicated at quadratic level, you will get scared. You start from the beginning. If you start from the beginning, then only you will find that this is going to be quite easy, as well as you will be able to absorb over there. I was very weak in mathematics. I never had the courage to take engineering, so I studied humanities over there. So, but when it came to reasoning, I had to start from the very beginning itself. So, those of you who are weak or sort of kashta ide mathematics and reasoning idare, you need not fear. I also belong to the same category over there, but you have to start from the basics. When you start from basic and advance ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದರೆ you will not find it very, very difficult about that. Then to test your knowledge and to take your decision making at a faster speed over there, probably I think even now they are ಒಂದು 5-6 event ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ and they will put the name of the viceroy who was there and say that which combination is wrong. ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. So it is not sufficient. So ನಾವು ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, Lin Lithgow, Vice Chancellor ಇರುವಾಗ, when he was the Viceroy of India, what were the events which took place, and ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ which were the dates which took place. So ನಾವು ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರ್ಬೋದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ನೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ಫ್ರಂಟಿಂದ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ದಟ್ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಗ್ಲಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್. ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯು ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಎ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಓವರ್ ದರ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಿಲಿಮಿನರಿ ಒಳಗೆ, ವಿತೌಟ್ ವೇಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಆಸ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಮ್ ವಿಚ್ ಯು ನೋ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಈಗ? Probably there were more number of people are coming, and then negative marking was not there. So your civil service, your general studies ಒಳಗೆ, I mentioned to you about NCRT and that geography, and then economics, and then political science, and then reasoning, and then science and technology. Science and technology ಬಗ್ಗೆ, if you want to know what is going on currently in the country, there is a book called India. ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಇಟ್ ಡಸಂಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಚ್, ಅಂಡ್ 100 rupees. ಎವ್ರಿ ಇಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಷ್ಡ್. ನೀವು ಗಂಗಾರಾಮ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಸಪ್ನಾ ಅಥವಾ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಂತ, ಐ ವುಡ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಈಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಟು ಪೊಸೆಸ್ ದಟ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾಯಿಂದ ಏನೇನು ಆಗತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ದೇ ಮೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಂತ. ಪುಸ್ತಕದ ಹೆಸರೇ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಂತ. ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಇಯರ್ ಬುಕ್ ಥರ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಇಯರ್ ಬುಕ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವರ್ತ್ ವೈಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಟು ಪೊಸೆಸ್ ಅ ಕಾಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಇಯರ್ ಬುಕ್, possess a copy of the Indian economy, which you get updated with this over there. Then when it comes to newspapers, which either you can read a Kannada newspaper or English newspaper, New Times of India. I used to read Times of India and Deccan Herald. ಎರಡೇ ನನ್ನ ಪೇಪರ್ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು. So there, apart from the local news, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಸಿಟಿಲಿ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಏನಾಯಿತು, which may not be only, that is only for entertainment. But what you have to read only on policy, what is the latest that is coming out, what is it that is questionable, being questioned, what is it that is being opposed, what are the things that are being opposed right now, what are the things that are being opposed and contested at Government of India level, ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬಿಲ್. ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್? 1, 2, 3 ಏನದು? Who can tell me? Number 1 idu, number 2 idu, number 3 idu. Who can tell me? Lord, we are not doing a good job. Nobody can tell me that. And the farm bill is more than 7 months old. Why? What has happened? Why have you not prepared? What else is being contested at national level? ಯಾವುದು? Pegasus. Can anybody tell me 5 sentences about Pegasus? What have you read about? Yes, anybody?
It is a Israeli spyware.
It is a?
Israeli spyware.
It is a?
Israel.
It is a? Yes, yes, you are right. It is a?
Malware.
What did you say? Say that once again. It is a? There is no word called Israeli. It's an Israeli. So these are small things where you get caught over there. It's an Israeli malware. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
So it attacks the phones of people. Even they will not be knowing they are spied by someone else. So they'll be taking all the data and they'll be holding the
5 points on Pegasus. Tell me what are the 5 things on Pegasus. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. That is the way you have to prepare. Somebody else sitting in Delhi would have prepared it, who prepared 10 points. So you are out. Farm laws, who is going to tell me? 1, 2, 3. Anybody? What, madam? Why have you not trained your people over there? No.
they are better as of now they're not able to train.
Yeah, who can tell me boldly, in spite of making mistake? Can't you even guess? Yes, I'm very happy. Yes, please stand up and tell me. No, it doesn't matter. I want the courage to come out of you. Yes.
It is software and then it is in India illegal surveillance and not allowed to carry.
Okay. See, you are not ignorant, but you are aware that there is something called Pegasus and it is going to affect your privacy, etc. But that is not enough. Tomorrow when you are a district magistrate and the government wants you to say something, you cannot be general. Today, you should think I am the district magistrate of the whole country and you should be prepared for each and everything. What has happened yesterday, today you should be able to give me a report. Nanne yen aitu andre, my SP has to tell me nanne yen aitu, or the chief secretary will tell the district magistrate nanne yen aitu nim district ಒಳಗೆ ಮಳೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಳೆ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? ಸೋಮಾರ್ಪೇಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಿಲಿಮೀಟರ್ ಆಯಿತು, ವಿರಾಜಪೇಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಿಲಿಮೀಟರ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಮಡಿಕೇರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಿಲಿಮೀಟರ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇವ್ಯಾಕ್ಯುಯೇಟೆಡ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ವೇ ಹೌ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಲೀಡ್ ಅ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಹೆಡ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್. ಯಸ್, ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸೇ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್? ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸೇ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಿಕರ್ಸರ್. ಆಮ್ ಐ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಟು ಯು ನೌ? Your preparation is awful now. When you say that the farm is a controversy, you should be able to say, number 1, this is the problem. Number 2, which other aspect is under, which is other controversial thing that is going on at Government of India level, which is creating lot of, yadu? Ministry of Cooperation. What is the fear? Yen bhaya? Government of India dalli Ministry of Cooperation has been created. So, if you are the Cooperation Minister, who is the Cooperation Minister of Karnataka? Who is the Cooperation Minister of Karnataka? Who is the Cooperation Minister of Karnataka? Yaru? Why are you not prepared? Don't waste your time if you are not come here prepared over there. You have to behave already like a district magistrate. You have to behave to see that everything is in your control. Otherwise, you are a non-serious candidate. You are not interested. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಲಾ ಎಕ್ಸಲೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಒಂದು ಫೀಸ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅವರೇನೋ ಪಾಠ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದು. You have to be leaps and bounds ahead of what they are going to teach you. The academy can give you a library, an air-conditioned room and a OHP and get people like me to come and talk to you. Finally, you have to drive the vehicle. If you think that the academy is going to ensure that you are going to pass an examination, you are living in a fool's paradise. Because no academy can guarantee you. This is not a school that's going to get you a PUC certificate or a degree certificate. Your own application has to be there. Otherwise, I'm telling you, don't even waste your money on expensive fees, because these things cost a lot. If you are really serious that you want to study over there, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಹರಿದು ಕುಡಿದ್ಬಿಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. Whole of this, now there is a economic survey report ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, budget survey report ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Our application, you are literally on each and every subject, it should be in your domain over there. There is a huge CAA thing. You know what the CAA is? What is that CAA? Anybody? Yes? Corner, last man. What is CAA? Tell me what is CAA? What is CAA? Citizenship Amendment Act. What is it supposed to be doing? ಏನಕ್ಕೆ?
It provides citizenship for people who are minorities in the nearby countries of India, like Afghanistan, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and
yeah, you are right.
So
Minority or which community?
Majority, sir?
Minority
in those countries, the minorities are Hindus, Sikhs, Christians, and Zoroastrians.
Christians ಇದ್ದಾರಾ? Are you sure?
Minorities of Christians.
Is it guaranteeing citizenship to Christians also from the neighboring countries into India? Are you sure about
I'm
it?
not sure, sir. Sorry.
You should read about it. Then why is there so much of agitation? Why is there so much of agitation about CAA? You know, in Delhi there was a communal riots took place. 56 people lost their life because of CAA. Why?
Muslims are not there in that minority.
So what is the confusion?
It's inequality. That means for Muslims,
If I tell you what is CAA, will you be able to give me 5 points? Point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and what is CAA? This is where you have to ensure that whatever they prepare should be of the highest quality to see that they are well prepared over there. What is today's headlines in newspaper apart from the political news?
the landslides in Washington.
Yes. Climate change. What is climate change?
There are a number of factors in the climate change.
Really, what means what? If you were asked to say, tell me 5 things about climate change, what will you say about climate change?
Number one, greenhouse gases and
Then what is greenhouse gas? The house with green gas. Tell me in which. See, you are a district magistrate, you are giving me a report. What is going on in your place over there? How do you tell me that? That is what I am telling you all this training is about. Pre-job training, that if you don't know your subject and if you cannot present your subject, you cannot get inside this examination. In fact, I have not even come to the mains preparation. I am only talking to you about the preliminary examinations. The multiple choice questions are there to ensure that they create tension inside you, they create stress inside you, and they will look at it. Some people start sweating and they just leave the examination and go. When your level of preparation is so strong, the problem should look smaller, the solution should look bigger. You start sweating, you start getting nervous because your preparation is poor, and the problem is this big and the solution is this big. So the problem is big, solution is small. The solution and confidence is this size and the problem is this size, means as a lion you cut through the whole thing or said, yes, I can handle this problem. That cannot be done overnight. Of course, it gets facilitated when you are under training in the National Police Academy or when you read about case studies, etc., over there. But that strength nimge olaga bandilla andre, you will cut a sorry figure because the whole government is going to trust you. There is only one district magistrate, whether it is Mysore, whether it is Kodagu, whether it is Tumkur, whether it is other. Nimge keladre, if you are not in a position, you should behave, speak and talk like that even before the examination. ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ನಗರ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. You should be able to speak about these concepts also. Climate change is a concept. Tank irrigation is a concept. Water harvesting is a concept. Groundwater management is a concept. Concepts ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, sometimes what happens, you will have the clarity. You will have clarity. You will be knowing everything. You will not be able to express it. A district magistrate or a spokesperson or a diplomat, what is one of the most important skill is that not only you should be knowing the subject ಮಾತ್ರ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅಲ್ಲ, you should be able to communicate that subject with confidence over there. Last year when I was commissioner of police, have you heard me communicating with my people over there? On the wireless I used to say 1 2 3 4 5 6 ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. Have you heard it? Some of you may have heard it, some of you may not heard it. So you have to be very very clear as regards, not only ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, you should be able to communicate that also over there. Same thing in your civil services main examination. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಪ್ರಿಲಿಮಿನರಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದವರೆಲ್ಲ, ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಂಥ್ರೋಪಾಲಜಿ or ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ or ಜಾಗ್ರಫಿ or ಥರ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರೋ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಆಕರ್ಷಕವಾದ ಸಂಕ್ಷಿಪ್ತವಾದ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುವಂಥ ಉತ್ತರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? That is because that person who is correcting has no time to search. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡೇನೋ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಆರೋ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರೆಫರ್ ಟು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್, ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಆರೋ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು, ಮತ್ತು ಕೋಳಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಕಿದರೆ nobody is going to. You are offering yourself, look, I am well prepared, I am presenting myself very well, I am an effective communicator, take me into the IAS. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, that is what you are writing the civil service examination for. You are not sitting in a qualifying examination, you are sitting in a selection examination over there. So for the same question, same answer, why is it that I like your answer and why don't I like her answer, is how much more you know than her and how beautifully you have presented. I had taken sociology and economics. When I went to Delhi and ನಾನು ಅವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಹೆದರ್ಸ್ಬಿಟ್ರು, ಏನು ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ನಿನಗೆ, ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್ನವ್ರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, JNU ದವ್ರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೀನೇನೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ, ತಲೆ ಕೆಟ್ಟಿದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ನನಗೆ ಇನ್ನು ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್, ಈಗ ನಾವು ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಇವನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಅಂತ. ದೆನ್ ಐ ಥಾಟ್ ಆಯಿತು, ದೇ ಮೇ ಬಿ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಡಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್, JNU ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ದ ವೇ, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ದಟ್ ಅನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ವಾಂಟ್, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋನ್ಗೆ he wants to know whether I know the subject or not, whether I have understood the question or not, how well I put it on paper is important. So what you work as a district magistrate is same thing as what you work. So this is not an examination that has been made yesterday or day before yesterday. This is more than 100 years old. First civil services examination to select bureaucrats ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು? In China. They used to call them as the mandarins, the learned people. The mandarins were the learned people, and big countries have got bureaucrats. Then they started this the Britishers started this examination for which you have to go to London to write the examination, called the Indian ICS, Civil Services, Indian Imperial Civil Service Examination, Imperial Civil Service Examination, and they used to select ತುಂಬಾ ಇದು. So that is why people have so much of faith, people have so much of respect. ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ನಾಳೆ ಟಾಟಾ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ನನಗೆ? ನೋಡಿ, ಇಫ್ ಐ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ದಿ IAS ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ದಿ IPS, ನನಗೊಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ 100 people will say come and work with me. Why? Because that examination has got that credibility. So you are preparing for that examination. So preparation of that examination, I already told you, has to be absolutely foolproof. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಕೆಲವುದು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದು ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕೆಲವರು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಕೊಡುವಾಗನೂ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಸ ಅದರ ಮುಂದೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, if you are feeding that person with kasa kuppe, he thinks that you don't know your subject or you are trying to show off. ಕೆಲವರು ನೀವು ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಶೀಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ನೋ ಬಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಾದರ್ಡ್ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗಾರ್ಬೇಜ್. ಹೌ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೆಡ್. ಐ ನೆವರ್ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಎನಿ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಶೀಟ್ಸ್. ಮೈ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ವಾಸ್ 101 in the entire 14.5 lakh ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಅವಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾತನಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾರ್ತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಕುಡ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಸತಿ ಪ್ರೆಜುಡಿಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ I can tell you that there is no influence in all this in this examination. So I said, okay, it was not my good day. Out of 250, I got only 115 in my interview. Even if I had got 25 marks more, probably I would have been able to top the list. So what I am telling you is that nothing should be left for ಇದು ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಈಗ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ 10 ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 5 ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಅದು 10ರಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಅದು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ನಮಗೊಂದು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಈ ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ ದಿ 10 ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಎನ್ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ ಕೇಳೋವಾಗೂ ದೇ ಗಿವ್ ಎ ಸಿನಾರಿಯೋ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ if you have something very radical ideas of your no all these people should be shot dead anta helidre, does it make any sense? Is it possible to do it in a democracy over there? No I hate all Muslims, I hate these Jains, these Hindus are untrustworthy fellows, these Christians are backdoor hing ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. If you put this kind of opinion on paper, what is the message that you are giving? That you are coming with lot of excess baggage, that you are coming with lot of hatred, prejudice, and so that is the way they don't ask you describe this system, or they give you a scenario to see how policy or reality and situation is able to match and how you are able to present and how much you know. It's a very beautifully crafted question though. You will never see those questions in any degree examination paper. Allu nimge kanalla. ಒಂದೆರಡು ಸಾತಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ನೆವರ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್ should be utilized to answer those questions. And you cannot look at her question and answer, because it is your thought process, it is your mental chemistry, it is your experience, or it is your opinion that is going to be put on the paper. And you have to write it in a clean, legible, presentable, point-wise manner, so that it is understood by some godforsaken, some examiner who should be kind enough to give you some good marks over there. So what I am trying to tell you is that the examination idalla, it is like a surgical procedure, like how a surgeon approaches a patient over there. He has to see the one operation ಮಾಡುವಾಗ, main operation if he ಮಾಡುವಾಗ, he has to see that he doesn't rupture a vessel, he doesn't spoil a nerve, he doesn't disturb a bone, he doesn't disturb the surrounding organs. So when you write it has to be a very balanced presentation, precise presentation, and as less as possible to see, and ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿಡಬೇಕು. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಹಾಕೋದು, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಹಾಕೋದು, ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಡಾಟ್ ಹಾಕೋದು, ಅದರ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಹಾಕೋದು, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಫಾರ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಪುಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ದೇರ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್. ವೈ ಇಸ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಎ ವೆರಿ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್. 100 years ಆದರೂ ಸಹ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಚಡ್ಡಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಬನ್ನಿ, ಟಿ ಶರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಬನ್ನಿ. ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ತಿಳಿಸೆ ಪ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಬನ್ನಿ, ಶರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಬನ್ನಿ, ಸಲ್ವಾರ್ ಕಮೀಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಬನ್ನಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ವೆರಿ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್. ಬಹುಶಃ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆರ್ ಆರೋ ಹಾಕೋದು, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರೆಫರ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಗೋ ಟು ಮೈ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್, ಮೈ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಪೇಜ್. ನೋಬಡಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. It has to be neat, clean, and properly presented so that your answer is the best answer, and nobody can answer this question better than you. That should be your objective over there. Then, because I am telling you time and again, you are fighting a war, you are fighting a battle, ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. You are competing with her, he is competing with you, he is competing with his competing. So it is, ನೀವು ತೋರ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರೂ nobody can take away your ideas, nobody can take away your opinions, nobody can. It is you and you only, that's all over there. Because naale when you are assistant superintendent of police or an assistant commissioner or a subdivisional magistrate, you as a young kid, 26-year-old, 25-year-old kid, you have to take a decision over there. And you take a decision based on your strength, in nija, in sullu, you have to grasp it immediately. There is no time for error, especially as regard police is concerned. That's what I tell when I go to police academy to talk to young sub-inspectors or young IPS officers. I keep telling them, police norge, that you are work or your is like Virat Kohli and Sania Mirza. People will get to know in 2 minutes you made a mistake. Whereas in judiciary it may take 1 year or 2 years, government may take 5 years. But when a police officer makes a mistake, you get to know in 5 minutes he made a mistake. Less than 5 minutes. And in that split second, you have to take the best decision you have to take. So, this is just not the examination preparation idalla. That itself gives you an idea of how to be the best. How to be the best so that your method of preparation. As I told you, when I said CAA should tell me 10 points of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, should tell me about CAA. I said Lord Linlithgow. What all happened in Lord Linlithgow's period? What good things happened, what bad things happened? Quit India movement, ಏನಾಯ್ತು? You have studied Indian history, isn't it? So, ಓದಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ? When did the first battle of Panipat take place? Anybody?
1526. 1526.
1526. Okay. ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ? Babar and Ibrahim Lodi. No, I asked when did it take place? So you are digressing, you are telling me between whom it took place. Did I ask you between whom it took place? What was my question? When did it take place? Did I ask you between whom it took place? So why are you giving me an irrelevant information? 1526. 21st of April, Friday, 1526, on the Battle of Panipat. So whom do I go with, the person who says 1526 or someone who gives me more information on that matter? Just because I'm asking, I should not give you some random information also. So 21st of April, 1526, according to this source, it has taken place. So, to precise, how much you drill down, how much you know, you should know better than him, you should know better than him, you should know better than him. And that is where your strength lies. And getting all this information inside you, and at the appropriate time, ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, the system should work inside you and reproduce it. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದರೆ it will open more questions over there. Should never allow more questions to take place. ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದರೆ to be precise over there. In Government of India, when you write a note over there, ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ I want a note ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, sometimes they say, give me a 5 sentences note. That is the most difficult thing. They say a 5-page note, 5-page note ಕೊಡೋದು ಭಾಳ easy. You can put as much garbage as possible. And sometimes in government, if we don't want somebody to read a report, we send 120-page report. Then say, what action has been taken? I want in 1 page ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, it's a very, very difficult task. Is it not a difficult task? I want these 100 pages summarized into 1 page. Tell me what this report is. So, these are certain skills which you build right now in your study phase itself over there. And all along, when you thought that this big is the problem and this big is the solution, so the size of the solution becomes bigger and bigger, and the size of the problem becomes smaller and smaller. And the moment you have overtaken the size of the problem over there and make that into the solution is bigger than you, your level of confidence becomes, I can face anything. Whatever is that, I can face it. Like in police, ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನೇ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಬಂದರೂ with a handful of people I'm able to face it. Only when your preparation is poor. I have seen young SPs, 100 ಜನ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರು, ಸರ್ ನನಗೆ KSRP ಬೇಕು ಸರ್, ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಮ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಬೇಕು, ಸಿಟಿ ಆರ್ಮ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಸರ್, ಟಿಯರ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬೇಕು, ವೆಪನ್ ಬೇಕು. Want to kill these people or what? Talk to them and solve that problem. No, what the hell were you doing all this time? When we are all young SPs over there, by the time ನಾವು KSRP ಬೇಕು, KSRP is the armed reserve police ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ KSRP had to come from long distance over there. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನೀವೇನೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? What preparations have you done? So, if I am not prepared there, I face a problem. So, key everywhere is preparation, preparation, preparation and preparation. So, are you prepared? If you are not prepared, don't go to the war. You will get hurt, you will get injured. You will hurt yourself. Means illi you may not be able to succeed, you will feel sad na madilla anta. So if you are not prepared, don't even go into the war field. But if you are prepared, march into the battlefield over there. Nobody can touch you. So that preparation phase is Allah, that is where you have to. I was in the army for a short duration. There, nam parade ground alli huge words ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. The sweat that you shed on this ground will prevent you from shedding blood on the battlefield. The sweat that you shed on this parade ground, this means you do your PT properly, you do your parade properly, you do your weapons drill properly, you do your tactics properly, you do your raid on hideout properly. If you do it and you shed, if you want to avoid here, if you want to do chamchagiri, maskagiri and say that nanu idu madalla, I will absent over there, and then suddenly when you go there and you have to face a law and order problem over there, you will get scared, bhaya, because you have not done it. So this period also what you are doing is also a period of preparing to go and solve bigger problems over there. I don't know, am I making sense to all of you? Yes, sir. Or am I absolutely off the track? ಅಲ್ಲ, you tell me if ಏನೋ ಬಂದರು ಏನೋ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಇರೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಐ ಬೆಟರ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಅವರ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲ, am I making sense to you? Yes, so at the end of it, once again I want to reiterate is that the academy can help you or sort of guide you, but don't put all your strength. ನಾನು ಈ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಫೀಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟುಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇವ್ರ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ನನಗೆ IAS ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. Academy cannot do that. So wish you all the best. I'm sure you'll have a glorious career ahead. First, learn to work hard and be accountable to yourself. If you cheat yourself, only you have to face yourself, that's all. You can't please anybody else. And then no stone should be left unturned. No stone should be left unturned. That ನಾನು ಇದು ಮಾಡದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಡೆದೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಾನು ಒಂದು ತುಕ್ಕ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಹೊಡಿತೀನಿ, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನಾಳೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಾಗ ಎನಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎನಿವೇರ್. 10 people can die of lightning also over there. There can be an accident also. You have to respond. So you have to have that attitude of going to Mussoorie. If you don't have that attitude, you may pass, but you will be a huge big failure when you go and become there also over there. So if you have first inculcating that attitude of I can, I will, I am strong, I am bigger than the problem anta idrene, you will be able to have this. And extraordinary amount of confidence. Nothing should be able to scare you. Nothing should be able to scare you. Whatever, because I am here, as a police officer, my work is maintenance, to guard my people. If I failed in guarding my people over there, if I have ensured some communal rats take place, this means I have not prepared myself, I have not done my duty. Because of my incompetence, government is going to get a bad name over there. Sometimes we have to take very, very bold decisions also over there. Such bold decisions over there where you look at the bigger picture over there. I was IG Northern Range in Belgaum. ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಇದ್ದರು. ದೆನ್ ಒಂದು ಕಬ್ಬಿನ ಬೆಳೆಗಾರರಿಗೆ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ, ಶುಗರ್ ಕೇನ್ ಗ್ರೋವರ್ಸ್ಗೆ dues were not paid. So the farmers were protesting in front of Suvarna Vidhan Sabha. Anybody from Belgaum? Suvarna Vidhan Sabha, because the winter session was going on over there. Someone persuaded one gullible fellow to drink poison, and that fellow drank poison and he died there. Now a farmer committing suicide in front of Vidhan Sabha when the session is going on is huge sensation for the media and for the opposition to slaughter the government over there. Who has to save the government at that point of time? Inside, they can do it by themselves. Outside, I have to do it. As IG of Northern Range, I and my SPs have to do it. Chandragupta was my SP. Who Chandragupta at present, Chandragupta is Commissioner of Police in Mysore over there. So, BJP was in opposition, JDS was in opposition. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಇದೆ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. And Congress was only answerable because the government was only 6 months old. 2013 government was sworn in and the incident took place in So, first of all, we have to remove the dead body and take it to KLE hospital. There is huge pressure on the chief minister. ನೀವು ಬಡ ರೈತನ ಹೆಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ನೀವು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಶೋಕ ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾಂಜಲಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅಂತ. ಸಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸನೇ ಈ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಜಿಡಿ, ಹೌ ಪೀಪಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಜಿಡಿ, ಹೌ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲೈಸ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಜಿಡಿ, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಸಾವುನೇ ಒಂದು ಬಂಡವಾಳ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂಥದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ನೋಡಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಚಂದ್ರಗುಪ್ತ, ಮೈ SP, ದಟ್ ಡೆಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ KLEಯಿಂದ ವಿಧಾನಸೌಧಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು. ಹಿಯರ್ ಆನರಬಲ್ ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್, ಆನರಬಲ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಪೋಸಿಷನ್ನವ್ರು ಕೂಡ, ಅವಾಗ BJP ಏನು ಜಡಿತಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಬಾಡಿಲಿ ತರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ CM's PA ವಾಸ್ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್, ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಡೆಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ ತರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಐ ಸೆಡ್ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು ಬಂದು ಬಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಬಾಡಿ ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಫುಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಮೇಡ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಕಾನ್ವಾಯ್, ಎನ್ಶೋರ್ ದಟ್ ಆನರಬಲ್ ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್, ಹೋಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್, ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್, ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬೈರೇಗೌಡ ವಾಸ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್, ಹೋಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಜಾರ್ಜ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ CM, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ವಿ ಮೇಡ್ ಅ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್. KLE ತನಕ ಬಂದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಐಸೋಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಫರ್ಮ್. ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಾಡಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ತರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಐ ಟುಕ್ ಅ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್, ಏನೇ ಬರಲಿ, ಇಫ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಟ್ ಟು ವಿಧಾನಸೌಧ, ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಪೆಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ಗಲಾಟೆ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ವಾಹನಗಳಿಗೆ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಹಚ್ತಾರೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ other people will be having no accountability, only it's my responsibility. So I told Chandragupta, allé iru, after CM has left, take the dead body, go to the village. Ashtralli adakkinta munche I had to tell my DSP in illi that idu ಚಿಕ್ಕೋಡಿ ಕಡೆ ಬಾಡಿ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು. ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಎನ್ಶೋರ್ ದ JCB ಹಾಕಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದು ಏನೇನು ತೊಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ, ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಟಮ್ ಆಗೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿ ದಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಲೈಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಫೈರ್ ಅಟೆಂಡರ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಆ್ಯಂಬುಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು, ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆದರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಘಟನೆನೇ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಆಂಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಆಂಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್, ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ CM ನನಗೆ ಏನು 16-17 ಕಾಲ್ಸ್, ಐ ರೆಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಪಿಕ್ ಅಪ್ ದ ಕಾಲ್ಸ್. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ಬೋಲ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್. ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಡಿಸೋಬೇಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್. ಐ ಸೆಡ್, ಚಂದ್ರಗುಪ್ತ, ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಡೆಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಅವ್ರದ್ದು KLE ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗೇಟಿಂದ ಡೆಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಓಡು ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ. ಬಾಡಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಚಿಕ್ಕೋಡಿ ಕಡೆ ರ್ಯಾನ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಓವರ್ ದರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರು ಬಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲೋ ಬಸ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅಲ್ಲೋ ಬಾಡಿ ನೋಡಲಿ ಅಂತ. ದೇ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಹಳ್ಳಿಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸಂಘಟಿತವಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಹಳ್ಳಿನವ್ರು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒದಿತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಎನ್ಶೋರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಸೈ ಆಯಿತು ನಾನು ತಂದುಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ, ಸರ್ ನಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಕಲ್ಲು ಹೊಡೆದು ಬಿಟ್ರು ಸರ್, ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಫೈರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಸರ್, ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಿಧಾನಸೌಧಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಸುಟ್ಟಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ IG I am? My work is to guard my people, guard my state. ಮಾಡುವಾಗ I have to take unpleasant decision and I have to do it boldly also. Sometimes ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಯಿತು CA. ಎಸ್, ಅವ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ದ, ಹೌದು ನಾನು ಗುಂಡು ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಆಯಿತು. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿಫೆಂಡ್. I have to, if I had not opened fire and if I had not done this, more problem would have taken place. So ಸಮರ್ಥಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಎನ್ಶೋರ್ that anticipate and you have to be the best over that. So this is what I just wanted to share with you. It's a war. The person sitting next to you is the biggest enemy, and you are the general, you are the soldier, you are the government. It all depends upon how you plan for this one and how you are able to amass knowledge, process the knowledge, reproduce the knowledge on paper in the most brief manner and the most concise manner and up to the point and as clean as possible, and send the paper over there so that the person who is seeing that feels that yes, this person can make a good officer. So wish you all the best. If you are not prepared, my abundant advice is don't waste your time. Even if you have 10 or 15 people sitting here and preparing, it's fine. If you leave anything to chance, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಬರದೇ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮೂರ್ಖರು ಯಾರೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು even with 31 years of service, I don't leave anything to chance. If anybody leaves anything to chance, It is, what is it you call? ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? Leaving it to chance. Don't assume anything. You know what is assume? What is this? As of you and me. Don't ever assume anything. You are writing this examination. So don't make an ass of you and me by assuming anything that ಇದು ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. Say ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ and I am going to face everything and I am going to face it very very boldly ಅಂತ. So thank you very much. Any other questions? Yes. What's your name? Ah. Can I get some water?
Sir, I have 2 questions for you. First one is, becoming an IPS was your choice or by chance?
Actually, I had been writing all competitive examinations. I had written banking service examination also. I had written the SSB examination, so that is a short service commission. SSB, I went to Bhopal, I was selected in the army. I was in the army for about a year. I was in 1986 only, when the Sri Lankan operations were going on. I quit. Then after that, I finished my MA properly, then and completed this examination. I wanted to be in the IAS, but I got Indian Foreign Service. I did not want Indian Foreign Service. So Foreign Service beda anta helidantra, I got police service over there. But I don't regret it one moment. Today, I am on the verge of finishing my service now. Tomorrow, if I get an opportunity, I would still like to start from the bottom, because that is the glory of the service.
The next question is, the kind of youth that you want to see as police officer?
I want you to be courageous, well prepared, not somebody who is giving me excuses, not someone who is ignorant. Courage, ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಖ್ಯ. Courage I expect not only from IPS officers, I expect from constables also. Amele, anything else? Yes.
Sir, can you please share any of the most challenging event in your career so far?
Ekadash, every day is challenging in Bangalore. You saw that in COVID times was a challenging period over there, time over there. COVID, all the time, it demands your immediate action, and everybody is waiting that you make a blunder. You make a blunder, they will slaughter you. The media is waiting to slaughter you. The politicians are waiting to slaughter you. Sometimes your own colleagues are waiting to slaughter you. They want you to, because you are in a position in which everybody is envying you. They want you to make a mistake so that you fall down and they can laugh at it. Whether it is Vitlanhalli firing where I was SP Bangalore rural district alli, then Virajpete ಒಳಗೆ when double murder ಆಗಿರೋ ಸ್ಥಳ ಇರಲಿ, then when the Maratha problem, when I was IG Belgaum, when I was in Bangalore rural SP ಆಗಿದೆ, when this American establishments were being targeted over there. So you face, when I was a DCP in Hubli Dharwad, ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ when the ಜಂಡಾ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಆಗೋವಾಗ, then again here when in Hubli itself over there. Then when I began my career, I was only 26 years old. I was assistant superintendent of police Davanagere. The Babri Masjid incident took place over there. So you have to ensure nothing happens in my place over there. So, okay. Anything else?
So what it means as an IPS officer? ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಂತವಾಗಿ ಏನು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ to be an IPS officer?
See, the government trusts you. You have to live by the trust. If I make a mistake, the government can fall. If I make a mistake, if I'm foolish and stupid, if I had brought the dead body in front of Vidhan Sauda, the politicians will tell you, even the ruling parties will bring it here. Nodana anta. I know the consequence, what can happen there anta. So you live a life of courage. You live a life of being an example to others, because so many people are watching you. So many, when you pass and come out, so many youths will be watching you. Others will be curious to know how you have got inside this examination over there. Politicians will be watching you. Young politicos will be watching you over there. So you are always under a spotlight. When you are in a spotlight, everybody can see you, but you can't see others. Hotane? And then you have to produce results over there. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್? ಯಾ.
Sir, I heard that policing is a 24/7 job
ಹೌದು.
and all that. How do you manage the official front and the personal?
There is time, team. It is not that all the time only you are responsible. There are various levels. There is a commissioner, there are additional commissioners will take care of something. And then the deputy commissioners are there, assistant commissioners are there, inspectors are there. Then sub-inspector is there, ASI is there, constable, head constable, constable. Everybody has got accountability. Or meeri kelsa ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. As commissioner of police, I don't have to go and answer and everything. I don't have to go and see all murder cases also are there. Something is very sensational, something is very politically, it may come to assembly, it may go to parliament. So I need to know. And once you have reached that level, at my level over there is no need for you to know everything also over there. That is other extreme. I always used to feel that there is no need for me to know everything. But at this point of time, there is a need for you to know everything because you are at the lowest level. So I have gone to a level, okay, I am supposed to be knowing, but I need not know each and everything. I should have freedom of knowing what is relevant to me. Because not a lot of people are there to question me. There are a lot of people are there to question you. So that's why you have to know everything. That's yeah.
Sir, how a common man should face when a situation comes like police misuses power?
There is a police complaint authority anta ide. Then ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಪರಮಾಧಿಕಾರ ಇಲ್ಲ. Even commissioner of police ಗೂ ಪರಮಾಧಿಕಾರ ಇಲ್ಲ. There are organizations, institutions, courts, NHRC, SHRC, where you can make a petition, Lokayukta or Anti-Corruption Bureau, where you can bring it to the notice that such and such officer has ill-treated me or exploited me. So nobody is a chief minister himself is a subject to all these things. Why not police officer over there? Everybody has their own limitation over there. ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಪರಮಾಧಿಕಾರ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. Yes, anybody else?
Sir, what steps can we take to eliminate corruption?
Don't give money. First, stop giving money. Don't ask for illegal things. Don't ask for jumping the queue. Why we pay money? Either we want to see that ಈ ಕೆಲಸ ಬೇಗ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ನಂಬರ್ 1. ಇದು ಆಗದೇ ಇರೋಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗೋಗ್ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಈ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕಟ್ಟುವಾಗ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ವೈಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆಯಾ ಚುನಾಯಿತ ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಗಳಿಗೆ, ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅವರು ನೋಡ್ದಂಗೆ ನೋಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ಸೊ ನೀವೇನು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಕಟ್ಕೋಬೋದು ನೀವು. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೂ ಅನುಕೂಲ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಅನುಕೂಲ ತಾನೇ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕರಪ್ಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ದ ವೇ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. Okay then, thank you very much. Wish you all the best. God bless you.